Hey there everyone, John from Big Dreams Travel, and welcome to our channel. I've got a room tour for you today from our room here on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas. Now this one is really exciting. This is a great room type on this ship. Royal doesn't have these on all of their ships, but on Independence they have these great rooms. They are a spacious family interior room with a promenade view, and this is a room that sleeps more than 4 guests. So it's a 5 guest room, which is awesome here on Royal Caribbean because you don't always get that on many cruise lines. And rooms are very limited for families of that size. So I'm going to show you our room here on Independence of the Seas. Again, this is a spacious family interior room, and I'll show you the promenade view. Thanks so much for joining us here on the channel. We're so glad you're here. Hit the notification bell, the like button, make sure you subscribe, and I'll show you around this room. Thanks for being here. So here is the front door of the room, and so as soon as we come in, I'm going to show you a couple of great features of this large room here on Royal Caribbean. To my left is the bathroom door. I'll show you that in a second. But as we come around, flip to my right, this is the first very unique feature of this room, is the semi-private bunk bed area. And so you can put obviously 2 people in here. I'm going to give you a little bigger look of how this is next to the door, but you can see as soon as I'm in the door, there is a curtain that can close off that area. But we've got 2 bunk beds. We've got a built-in ladder to get up there in this room. Both beds have a reading light, and there is a little table in here. So a great place if you have kids. But also these are full-size or close to full twin beds. Adults would be fine in here as well. There is a little closet area in this room to hang clothes, and a little footwear nook down there at the bottom. But this is where obviously 2 of your guests can sleep in this room. I'll swing around and show you the restroom. The other thing I love about this room is you get a larger restroom than standard rooms, which with 5 people or more in this room, you're going to want. But this is the restroom area, and so I'll kind of back away. As you can see, more floor space here than you would get in a standard room. Plus, you then have the tub, so plenty of space to shower. And if you have little kids and need to give baths, you can certainly do that in here. So really a great bathroom area. As you can see, I come in here, I can maneuver all the way around, still have plenty of floor space here in this room. So back from the entryway, we're going to come around into the main area of the room, and as you can see, just a ton of space in here. You've got a full sitting room area. This couch does make into a bed, and I will try to remember to grab some footage once we get that open for the kids here later this evening, because we do have 5 people in this room, and so I'll show you that once we have that out and ready. You can see one window seat into the promenade, which I'll open up in a second, but I'm going to pan around and I got a whole nother section of the room with my royal king size bed, or that could be separated as normal in cruise staterooms, but just a huge space. I'm going to come over by the window and give you a look here the other way, but really the width of 2 staterooms here. So let's look at some of these features. Big, oops, sorry, the trash can was down there. Big closet area here on this side with some hangers. On the other side of the little couch, which again does turn into a bed, you've got a cabinet area with some shelves and some drawers down here in the bottom. That's where your hair dryer is located in this room, and tissues, and just some empty drawers. Of course, we love these promenade view rooms. You don't have an ocean view, but the promenade view rooms are great. And you've got not one of these sitting areas, plus a chair. You've got another one of these sitting areas and windows on this side. Got some underneath the television stand here. I'll give you a wide view. There's some shelves up at the top. And then as I go down, this is where your cooler will sit. So that is located there. There is a curtain that will separate the bed area for whoever's sleeping on the actual bed. So you've got that can close from both sides. Great feature that you don't get on all Royal ships. The desk area underneath here, just a big empty space. So if you have a small carry-on suitcase or anything you may want to sit in there, since the refrigerator is located somewhere else in this room, again, you have plenty of space here. Got some small shelves on the sides for anything you may need. There is a European plug here behind the phone. 2 US plugs here on this side. Some shelving on that side, and of course they'll leave all of your literature here on the desk. And I will just show you both sides of the bed. There's no power outlets beside the bed, but there are end tables on both sides with reading lights. And the final really cool feature of this room, what's behind this door, you should ask? A massive, for a cruise ship terms, walk-in closet. And so we've got more hangers, a ton of hanging space here. This is where the safe is located, and some drawers here that are all empty in this closeting area. So much storage space in here. Of course, you can have 5+ people in these rooms. Oops, hit the light, I'm sorry. Nice feature of this room. And just to show you, you do have this great view of the Royal Promenade. We're right over top of Cafe Promenade on this ship. But you can look down through there and see all of the fun taking place on the Royal Promenade throughout your cruise. Well, that's going to do it for this room tour here from Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas. Thanks so much for joining us again. This was a spacious family interior room with a promenade view. If you want this special room type, it's best to book early. We've had this cruise booked for almost a year and a half. There are not many. I think there's maybe 4 of these on this entire ship. And so you certainly want to book early. If you have any questions on that, contact me or one of our agents at Big Dreams Travel. You can go to bigdreamstravelusa.com. We'd love to help. We're the specialists in Royal Caribbean cruising. We do Royal Caribbean cruising is one of our most favorite suppliers and vendors to sell to our clients because they're so great for families, which is what we work with so much, but also great for everyone. That's why Royal Caribbean really shines as a cruise line. And if you need any help booking, we're here. It's complimentary to you. And so if you need anything, let us know. bigdreamstravelusa.com. Again, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.